Ever had a ChatGPT conversation you didn't want to lose, like research notes, code, or a great brainstorm, but couldn't find a simple way to export it? Here's how to export your chat history step by step. First, open ChatGPT and click your profile icon at the bottom left. Next, select Settings. Once the Settings window is open, click Data Controls. At the bottom, click Export. A Request Export prompt will appear and select Confirm Export to continue. OpenAI will prepare a file containing your entire conversation history. You'll receive an email with a download link once the export's ready. Click the link, download the file, and save it to your computer directory. This method exports all your chat messages into a single file. It's great if you want raw data or need detailed records of past conversations. If you want to export a single conversation, instead go back to ChatGPT window. Select the conversation thread that you want to share. Click the share icon at the top right of the page. Choose copy link. Once copied, send it directly to others. They'll see a read-only version of your conversation. This is one of the best methods for sharing specific discussions, code snippets, or research context without downloading a full data file. Now that you know how to export and reuse your ChatGPT conversations, the same idea applies to meetings. Tactiq transcribes meetings on Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. Instead of losing important discussions once a call ends, Tactiq helps you capture them automatically. It lets you export clean transcript notes that you can upload to ChatGPT for deeper analysis. You can also skip that step entirely and let Tactiq handle summaries, insights, and action items for you. Visit tactiq.io to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe for more ChatGPT tips.